The cold glue system is designed to work with a large damage surface. Allows you to significantly increase the efficiency and speed of repairs, to carry out repairs in places that exclude internal access. Allows you to remove the volume on a large surface without deformations, eliminates the possibility of metal pulling, which happens when using hot glue. A huge plus is the rapid reduction of the adhesive system in working condition and the complete absence of consumables. The rotary head of the straightening hammer allows you to make repairs in difficult places. The set includes 6 screw attachments. 2 rectangular nozzles, the size of which is 10 on 100 and 40 on 100 mm. 3 round nozzles with a diameter of 27, 44, and 60 mm. One triangular nozzle with 45 mm situs for working. The body surface must be degreased and warmed to room temperature from 18 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. The nozzle of the desired shape and size is fixed in the center of the dent, then it must be turned to the right, left, up, down, and left in this state for an interval of 30 seconds to 180 seconds.